Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. We got 7 inches of snow, sleet, and ice with the winter storm, and it's all over now, but that was the total of what all we got. So it was rough, and it's still rough. There's still a lot of snow, ice, and sleet on the ground. And like I said, we got 7 inches of snow, sleet, and ice out of the winter storm. And today it was in the 20s and it felt like it was 9. Tonight it's supposed to get down to the single digits. Very cold night. And so I'm going to stay in out of it. Today I've been watching movies, staying in and out of it because it was cold today. Like I said, it was 20 degrees, wind chill factor of 9. So I stayed in where it was warm and watched movies and spent time with Mom and relaxed. Of course, I didn't listen to no music today, but tomorrow I'll try to listen to some music as well as watch movies. But today I didn't listen to no music. But that's okay too. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. Sorry I can't do a collection tonight, but I will resume with one tomorrow night. I didn't have time to get nothing out, but tomorrow night I'll have something out for you to see. And if you've enjoyed so far, give this video a thumbs up. Refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And at the end of each month, I'll show you a new item, but that will be at the end of each month, plus the items I still have yet to show. For those of you that's new, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And always remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.